Samantha here with Massey Toyota. Today we're going to be looking at the 2018 Camry SE. You have your bi-LED combination headlights with auto on and off features. Black front grille with sport mesh insert and power outside mirrors. The vehicle is a celestial silver metallic with a black soft feature, accompanied by 18-inch black machine finish alloy tires. Going through the driver's side, you have your window controls and mirror controls right on your door, and automatic seat controls and lumbar support, with cloth black material. Automatic high beams, tire traction, trunk release, and your gas cap release. Volume controls, voice commands, and hands-free phone calls, as well as being able to control your menu. Through this menu, you can check on things like your mileage, your lane departure alert system, turning things on with your settings, information, caution, messages, and even more. Over on the other side, you have your lane departure alert system, cruise control, and other features. So looking at your touchscreen main menu, if you press menu, you can get to audio, you can listen to FM or AM. You've got your volume control right there up on the left. You press info, you can get the latest info about your speed or time of travel or anything like that. You can also sync up your phone. Right now we don't have a phone synced up, but you can definitely do that in the future. Now shifting down just a little bit, you have your dual heating and cooling systems. You can also sync them if you want to. You have your USB aux input and 12-volt outlet. There's a little place to put your phone, and you have 2 cup holders. Now taking a look at your keys, just so they don't poke you, your key is flipped in right now, but you press that button and they flip right out. You can put it in the ignition and start your vehicle. Now taking a look at the back seats, on the door you actually just have a little compartment for a drink or something like that. And then you have leather seating in the back. You also have dual cup holders in the center console, or you just pull that down. You can also flip it back up. Then you also have your own little controlling of the heating and cooling back there. Just below that, you have 2 USB ports and an outlet. In the back seats, you also have car seat latching ability down below and up above. Now looking at the trunk, if you just hold down the trunk button, your trunk should pop right open. Taking a look inside the trunk, if you just pull this up, you can find you have a jack kit with a tire underneath in case you run into any trouble on the road. Looking up just a bit, if you pull on these little gears, the back seats in the vehicle fall forward. And usually you can't really fit that much in these smaller vehicles, but in this Camry you really can. When the seats fold forward, you can fit anything in there and the seats pop right back up. 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine with a sport-tuned suspension. Come down to Massey Toyota to check out this car today. All of our hours are posted online. I hope you enjoyed our video of the 2018 Camry SE.